Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a couple of new features that we have just released, and one of them is an automation that's, I think, going to be really helpful. So we'll take a look at that one first. It's in the Campaigns tab under Automatic Emails. It is the ability for you to create a drip campaign to send emails after registration. So basically, you hit the add button and you get to this screen, and you can give it a title and call it whatever you like, who it's from. The email is from the same as the other emails in the automatic email module. And then the content can be whatever you want it to be. For example, you've got all these placeholders. It can be whatever you literally want it to be. The trigger here is how many days after the registration, which means essentially how many days after download the app the customer is going to receive this email. So you have the ability to put 30 days later, 60 days later, 90 days later, whatever you want. You can create as many of these as you want. Again, these are automations. So once you create them, you can kind of create it, set it, and forget it, and let the system take over from there. So if someone downloads the app today of your client or of the business, they would get an email. For example, they get the welcome email, which is an explanation into your program. But these are now crafted for something a little bit different that you can kind of tailor make. Some reminder emails or just some communicative emails that you can stay in touch with your clients. Again, the content is fully manageable. All the stuff is manageable. All you need to do really is put how many days after registration they get it, and that means after they download the app. So as soon as they download the app, they create a profile. They are now registered inside of the app, and then again, you can create as many of these as you want. You can create a 30-day, 60-day, 90-day, 120 days. As often as you like it to go out, you can just keep on adding. Again, there's no obviously no charge for these things. And again, it's an automatic email that goes out once the trigger has been hit. So that's the first thing that we have just released, and you'll notice it again in your automatic emails in the campaign section. The next thing that we've released is in the loyalty and the coupons. We have added a feature inside the coupons that now ask for an amount spent, and I'm going to pull that up in an app and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so here's one of our apps, and here's a coupon. Here's the coupon. Okay, I'm going to click on the coupon, and you'll see this has already been redeemed. So I'll have to make a new coupon. Okay, so I just updated the settings in the coupon, and I click on the coupon again. You can see the redeem button at the bottom there. And what happens now is not only are you prompted for a password, which I'm going to enter, but you also have a spend field there. So I'm entering my password, and I'm entering a spend amount. So basically, if you issue a coupon for say $5 off, and somebody comes in and spends $150, you will now have the statistics to be able to show your clients. Okay, so I'm just going to put like 150 here, hit redeemed, and coupon has now been redeemed. Cool. Now when I go back to my coupon list here, I will be able to check on the reports. Okay, and check whatever coupon I'd like and filter, and you'll see at the bottom here. Total spent, how many people, what's been the total spent of this coupon. So there's been $350 spent with this coupon, and the average spend is $35 per coupon. So you have an idea, for example, if it's a $5 coupon, what your spend is, what the average spend is. Those are statistics that you can provide to your clients and show them the value of the system and how it drives business back to their locations. So those are the two new things that we've just released. Hope you like them. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.